Hi everyone, I'm Tim, your Senior Automotive Technical Advisor at EBC Brakes here in the UK. You find me on a very cold morning in the Centre of Excellence having a set of new pads fitted to my ID.3. Now, EBC, we're delighted to say that we now have a range of pads available for the front of the ID.3 and its sister car, the Cupra Born. Now, this morning I'm having a set of green stuff pads fitted. For me, that's the perfect pad. It's an everyday car. I use it for business, commuting, going to the shops and whatnot, and it just gives me that extra little bite that I think is missing maybe a little bit on the OE pads. So always going for a little upgrade there. Now, we're doing things a little differently here at EBC than to the OE pads, which I'm sure you'll see when they're being fitted, but you'll notice that our pads, there's no clips fitted, and we'll show you exactly what you need to do when we get onto the fitting. So you can see here our pad next to an OE pad, and you'll notice on the OE pad there's these rather large spring clips stuck out the side of them. Now these are fitted into the caliper carrier, and it creates a spring between the caliper carrier and the pad, moves the pad away from the disc, removing that rolling resistance, and that's really important with EV applications, is to remove that rolling resistance to increase the range. Now at EBC you'll see that we have two separate clips, one that goes in the caliper carrier itself and one that attaches to the brake pad. And you'll see how these two separate pads actually fit together in the same way as the OE clips on the pad, giving the same sort of effect there. So of course, all clips are included in the box. You don't have to worry about sourcing them separately. Any questions about the pads, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. You can catch us on technical@ebcbrakesuk.com, 01604 583344. All the best, guys. Cheers.